Hi, it's another fantastic day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. And here we have this plant. We don't see it very often. Now this is a Coria Ivory Bells, or white Australian fuchsia. It's a combination of the southeastern Australian plants called a Coria alba and a Coria backhausiana. Now it was developed in the 1940s at the University of California, up in Davis, outside Sacramento, San Francisco. Now, although it's called an Australian fuchsia, it's not a true fuchsia that we find out in South America and the Caribbean. So this is an evergreen shrub. It grows about 8 feet tall, 8 feet wide. It spreads out pretty evenly on all sides. It's exceptionally drought tolerant. It's a tough plant. Grow easy along the seashore, poor soil, high winds, can resist getting eaten by deer, and even withstand temperatures down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So the stems here we go. Now the stems, they're a little coppery color, or rust colored, and they're a bit hairy as well. And the leaves here, pull off a leaf, here we go. Now the leaves here, they're a bit leathery. They're elliptical shaped like an egg, and they're gray-green in color. And the top here is a lighter green, and the bottom of the leaves are almost like a white green. And they're also covered with woolly hairs. Now the flowers, over here, let's take a look at some flowers here. Now the flowers, they're arranged at the ends of the sides of the branches. They're either a single, there's just a few, or they're in clusters or groups. And we also have a few flower buds here. Here we go. A couple of flower buds. They're coming out. Now the flowers themselves are a bit cup-shaped. Okay, they have 4 long lobes. They're an ivory white bell shape. They have flared petals. Okay, and they always kind of turn downward. See on this plant? They're a great attractor of hummingbirds and other nectar-eating birds. And the stamens inside, take a look here, the stamens are pretty short, and they kind of fall into the plant itself. And little anthers on top, they hold the pollen. So the hummingbirds have to really get in there to get the nectar and do a great job at pollinating this plant. Wow. Here we have another one over here. And we even have another one over here. So the plant typically flowers from late fall through March. And this is December in Coto de Caza. So we're at the heart of their blooming cycle. It's a great plant if you want to spice up winter colors in your garden. So the plant makes a great border to your existing garden. And at 8 feet tall, it'll also make a great windbreak. Now this plant prefers well-drained soils, grows best in cool sun or part shade, and very occasional watering. Don't overwater this plant, or you will get it to wilt and have a lot of rot. All right? These great looking flowers here. Just kind of a creamy yellow. Beautiful inside. All right, so this is our Coria Ivory Bells, the white Australian fuchsia. Fantastic. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye.